We'll guide you through how to reset any iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I'm covering a couple of different ways depending upon what you're trying to achieve. Perhaps you want to go and do this because there's a problem which you're trying to go and fix, or because you want a fresh start. So for the first reset where I'll show you is essentially a forced restart. It'll go and force reset it, but you aren't going to lose any data. That'll go and be kept, but this can often go and solve problems that you may be running into. So I'll guide you through that. And the second way will then be the factory reset. So what we can do is go and press the volume increase, then decrease, and then you hold down the side power button like so. You're going to see this screen here. If your phone is frozen, then you won't, but otherwise keep it held down. Shortly, the screen's going to go black like this. Keep it held down until you go and see the Apple icon, and this shows that it's coming back on, and then you can go and release. So now it's going to go and be starting again. Now when it comes back on, hopefully the problem you're trying to go and solve has been, and we can go and unlock it, and we can then go and use it. However, if you do want to go and do a full factory reset, we can go and get into that. With doing a factory reset, that is going to go and lose all of your data, so you may want to go and consider doing a backup, whether that's to iCloud or your computer. You come into your settings, and at the top, go and tap your name. Then you can go to iCloud, and you can go down to iCloud backup, go and switch it on and do one, or plug it into your computer as I said. But in this case, I'm not going to, I don't want to save anything. So we can scroll down and find general. Then we can scroll down to the bottom and find transfer or reset iPhone. And at the bottom, press erase all content and settings. Tap there. And then what we can do is go and start the process. So make sure you read this through and understand that all of this is going to be safely removed from your iPhone, but it is permanent. Press continue if you're sure. Then you can go and press erase iPhone. Enter in the iPhone passcode like so. Then it will go and say about uploading it. I'm not going to, so I'll press erase anyway. And then it should go and skip it automatically. Now, what you need to do is go and enter in your password. And when you do that and press turn off, the process will go and begin. You'll go and see the white line starts going across the phone screen, and all you need to do is go and wait. The iPhone will go and restart a couple times potentially. And then when it's finished, you'll go and see the hello screen. And this means you've then gone and successfully gone and reset it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more helpful guides.